Okay, so today we're going to make a pipe cleaner snowman pencil topper. And these are the colors you'll need. You'll need 4 whites, 1 orange, and 1 brown. So to make the pipe cleaner snowman pencil topper, first start with one of the white pipe cleaners, and then bend the tip like this, so you get a little bend at the tip, and then start to coil the white pipe cleaner like this, and keep coiling. Try and keep the coils round, and keep coiling. And okay, so when you've only got a little bit left at the end, take that bit, make sure the coil's pretty tight, and take that bit and just thread it through your coil at the end. So that should leave a little tail at the end. So then take a pencil or something and push the face out a little, such that your coil is more round. Like this. See? So it should be like half a ball shape. Then take your next pipe cleaner piece and you're going to do the same thing. So take your coil, start with your dent at the end, and then coil, keep coiling your end, trying to keep it pretty 3D if you can. And then when you've got a little bit left, thread that through. Helps to hold the coil in place while you're threading. And then that should be like this. That should be another half circle for you. So when you've got your 2 half circles and you're pretty happy with them, see, they should form a ball shape when they're together, roughly. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Take your orange pipe cleaner you have here and cut about 3 inches from the end. Take the pencil you want to use and just fold it over the end of the pencil, or I mean fold it over the pencil once and twist it together like this. So that's going to be your carrot nose. Now take your half of your snowman's face and put the carrot part of the nose through the center, like so. And wrap the tail, make sure the snowman's head is pretty far up the pencil, and then wrap the tail that you have left around the pencil, like so. Take the other half of the snowball shape you made and just tie that onto the back, the same way onto the pencil. So you see he's starting to take a snowman shape already. Pretty good. Take a new white pipe cleaner and thread it through the two halves, like that, and just fold it over and inside. Then, with the rest of that white pipe cleaner, start wrapping below the snowman's head, like this. Now take the other white pipe cleaner and thread that as well through the other side of the head, and fold the end inside like that so you don't see it. Then wrap the rest of that part of the snowman's body around the bottom. And you can squish it up, make it more round. There we go. That's your snowman's head and body finished. Now, take a tan pipe cleaner, or any kind of brown you want, and with that, just wrap it once around body and make sure the two ends are even, and with some wire cutters clip the two ends. You can pull it tight if you want to. Then taking your excess pipe cleaner, bend that in half, and then cut that in half so it's even. Tie one of the sides on like this with one loop and cut the excess. And then tie the other side on there. Oh, there we go. And clip the excess again. Okay. And so there, that's how you get the arms on the snowman. Now, you can leave your snowman like this if you want and just add googly eyes now, or you can add some accessories to them. So if you want to add some earmuffs, you just have to bend the tip of a red pipe cleaner and roll it around like this if you want, and then get a measurement there, and then just cut the other end like this and roll it up. Bend the circle parts outward, or the bottom of the earmuffs. It looks like this. And just place it on the head. It should stay pretty good. If you want to do a scarf, take 2 different color pipe cleaners, any colors you want to use for your scarf, and get a measurement here, so about a little bit around halfway. Cut your 2 pipe cleaners that you want to use, and then wrap them like this around each other. Like so. And take your snowman and just attach them to him. Like so. Now, all you have left to do is to add some googly eyes. And these are sticky googly eyes, so, and place them onto the face. Wherever you want to. And then your snowman is completely finished. Hope you enjoy watching.